in coding, there's a concept called time complexity. And basically, it just measures how efficient your code is. And whenever you apply for jobs, companies will give you technical screening questions, interviews, projects, live programming. And probably the most important thing that they test for is how efficient your code is. And the thing is we have this time complexity of your code, but there's also space complexity. And in coding, we can use memory from your computer to your advantage. And memory is a cheaper resource than time. So it's encouraged to take up as much memory as you can to improve the time efficiency of your code. So usually when you have these problems, one way you can do them is called brute force. And that's when you try all possible combinations to figure out the solution. It's like you have your iPhone key password. If you can try all possible combinations on it to brute force your way in. But you can also leverage memory and space to make your code more efficient, and that is probably the preferred way. So when you're programming, you're always trying to think of how I can code smarter, how can I be more efficient, because the thing with coding software, it can be exponentially, different software can do the same task, but certain things can be exponentially more slower or more faster, depending on how well it was coded, how well it was thought through. So that's one of the things with like AI code, that they might get a working solution, but it might not be efficient. In the AI might not see the bigger context of things. So it's important to work on having efficient code as well. But this concept of time complexity being efficient doesn't just apply for code, but I like this concept of applying to life as well. Just seeing things where you can be more resourceful, seeing things where you're doing brute force in things you do throughout your life, and how can you be more resourceful to make it happen faster. And there's these concepts from Naval about using time, software, media, or creating videos, and leveraging capital as well, leveraging this to make your life, your work, more efficient. And so whenever you do work on things throughout your life, because time can be more expensive than all your other resources that you have, like labor, skills, but you can get resourceful and leverage money, creating software to make things better, creating videos to reach out your message to more people. So let's look throughout your life, like wherever you are doing work, what things can be automated, what things can be created software to do this, what things can you create videos to make things better. That's why I make YouTube videos, to get my message out there. That's why I code. So these tasks that can be automated should be automated. And that's why you got, like, when can you hire someone to do the job as needed, so you can move on, like things around the house, chores, food, cooking, like what can you outsource so you can leverage your time, and just apply this principle of time complexity, being efficient, being resourceful to navigate life and use it not only with code, but any projects you're working on. So that's all I wanted to talk to you about today, about time complexity, what it is in code, and that you can use it for life as well. So stay tuned for more videos as I apply coding concepts that we do to life. Thank you so much for watching. My name's David. I'm a freelance web developer. So if you need help building out an app, feel free to message me to see how I can help. And also if you need help learning how to code as well, message me too.